Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. We're heading into the weekend. The big story, though, we're looking 6 to 10 days out, and is that ever a bullseye? Colder than average temperatures likely in the extended period. We have somewhat of a rainy, cloudy pattern headed our way next week, and so that is going to be one of the reasons why the temperatures are going to be below average. Average high this time of the year in the upper 70s. Morning lows are in the mid 50s. So it's going to be cooler than that, and that is likely. While the West Coast heats up, warmer than average temperatures in San Francisco, Las Vegas, up to Portland. Let's zoom in here and give you a kind of a bullseye close-in look here at East Texas. Below average temperatures are likely, especially from Dallas up to Texarkana. But all of East Texas is in that same, maybe slightly less likely below average temperatures, but still pretty close to the bullseye. So temperatures are going to be below average here in East Texas in that 6 to 10 day period. Let's break it down like this. Again, the average lows around 56. We're looking at morning lows this weekend in the 50s. Next week to start, morning lows in the upper 40s, then mid 50s to upper 50s. But again, temperatures even at 55 degrees are slightly below average. You get into the last and final weekend of April, and you have one warm morning where temperatures are in the upper 50s, and then that cooler air returns again Sunday and Monday. Daytime highs should stand to reason to be in that same kind of ballpark, where you have a day where even below average for Saturday, then Sunday it's much below average. In fact, we may end up in some parts of East Texas with highs in the 50s, clouds and rain showers off and on throughout Sunday. Monday also features some rain. Tuesday also has rain and thunderstorms in the forecast, and temperatures still below average. Wednesday, below average. Thursday, below average in the upper 60s. Friday, we warm up a little bit. Friday's the best day, really, besides Saturday, of the next, say, 7 to 10 days. We're looking at temperatures around 76 to 78 with lots of sunshine Saturday and again on Friday. And then wrapping up that final weekend of April, we're a little bit of unsettled. We have a cold front coming through here, so there'll be maybe a chance for showers or thunderstorms Friday night. Then Saturday and Sunday are cooler, and we start May with temperatures in the mid-70s, slightly below average. So again, the next 6 to 10 days below average temperatures and above average rainfall. Winds and wind gusts for Saturday. If you're headed out on some area lakes or you wanted to fly a kite, it's not exactly kite flying weather. It is better boating weather for sure, running, biking weather with southeast winds turning to the east, and temperatures, or I should say winds sustained at about 6 miles an hour, gusting at times up close to 13 miles an hour. So not particularly a windy day on Saturday, but a breezy day, I guess is the way we should term things. With the southerly winds, a little more humidity coming back, slightly humid. I still think it'll be somewhat comfortable. Sunday, though, it's relatively humid. I don't know, with a temperature at 59 or 60 degrees, the highest you're going to have that dew point is 59 or 60, and that's borderline humid. And then Monday, we see some slightly drier air coming in, but we've got a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday. So even though the air mass will feature some drier air, I think the rain that's falling will then again raise the relative humidity. Remember, the relative humidity is the humidity value that's relative to the current temperature and the barometric pressure. So that can vary from time to time. For instance, when we have in the wintertime an air temperature of 38 and a dew point of 38, that relative humidity is 100%, but it's not near as humid as it is in the summertime when the air temperature is 70 and the dew point is 70, and the relative humidity would be 100%. That's way more humid and feels a lot more sultry than, say, that 38 over 38. All right, science lessons aside, let's talk about the upper level winds for next week. Another western storm moving into the Rockies, and so here we go again with several little perturbations making their way through the westerly flow. As they do, they stir up clouds, they stir up showers, little thunderstorms from time to time. This is a bigger storm that may eventually arrive maybe Thursday right now, it looks like, ahead of some better weather that comes in on Friday. There was some talk about severe weather setup for next week, but we'll see how things set up again. Tuesday, there's a 70% chance of rain. Wednesday, it's a 50% chance of rain, and then Thursday may feature the scattered, stronger thunderstorms. But anyway, over the next 7 days, no chance of rain Saturday. Sunday, it's a 50% chance of rain. Monday, isolated showers, thunderstorms. Tuesday, widespread rain in the forecast. Wednesday and Thursday, Also scattered to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, then drying out for Friday. All right, let's look at the rainfall reports. After the rainfall on Thursday and Thursday night, all of us now, our 3 climate reporting sites at Tyler, Longview, and Lufkin, all 3 of those sites now reporting above average rainfall for the season and for the year. And over the next 7 days, as we said, above average rainfall is in the forecast. If we take a look at the contours here, match those with the legends, anywhere from Tyler up to Texarkana, 1.5 to 1.75 inches. So anywhere north of Interstate 20, Interstate 30. You get over deep East Texas, and you're still talking about 1 to 1.25 inches of rain over the next 7 days, and maybe some heavier rainfall back between Houston and Austin. So not bad when it comes to rainfall over the next 7 days. All right, morning low temperatures tomorrow will be in the low 50s. All right, right around 50 degrees. I had this for Friday morning, but Saturday morning we've got a chance for clear skies and temperatures in the lower 50s. So just disregard that. But this is what you need to pay attention to. 72 at 1 o'clock, 73 at 3 o'clock, 76 by 5 p.m. And our 7 o'clock temperature tomorrow evening back to 71. And again, no chance of rain, mix of sun and clouds. Pretty nice day. High temperature Saturday, 73 in Pittsburgh, 73 at Mount Pleasant. Sulphur Springs up to 71, Linden up to 75. In our central counties, mid-70s. Tyler and Longview could hit 76. Jacksonville and Henderson could also hit 76. Palestine up to 76, and Athens up to 75. 76 over in Carthage. Over deep East Texas, mostly sunny skies. Again, an east-southeast wind, 5 to 10 miles an hour, gusting at times up to 15 miles an hour, so a little breezy. High temperatures, upper 70s. Crockett, 77. Lufkin, upper 70s. Groveton, 79. Hemphill, up to 77 degrees. All right, here's future Skycast. We'll show you tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Now we're going to walk you through the Sunday rain chances. At first, these are just lightly scattered showers with temperatures in the low 50s. Notice that the temperatures don't budge much at all, and the rain tends to pick up, especially north of I-20 Sunday morning. And then eventually, as we get into Sunday afternoon, we're up to about 58 or 59 degrees. Then widespread rain moves in Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and through the evening and overnight hours into early Monday. And Monday, we still have some scattered showers around. And look at these temperatures in the upper 40s. Wow. Here's the Baylor Scott White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So mostly sunny Saturday, 76 degrees. 50% chance for showers on Sunday, 60 for the high. 30% chance of rain Monday, 68. A 70% chance for thunderstorms Tuesday, 72. Scattered thunderstorms possible Wednesday, 71. Upper 60s Thursday, upper 70s Friday. Final weekend of April, not bad. Kind of cool, just a 20% chance of rain on Saturday. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great weekend.